Do you remember someone reading you a book when you were a child? If your answer is yes, it's probably a good memory. Reading books to your children is giving them a gift. Join the Parents Reading Workshop and make this activity even better. Hi, I'm Revital, and I've told stories to more than 16,000 children in the last 16 years as a professional children's storyteller. I also read books to my own 3 kids. Learn from my experience and discover how to make reading time more valuable for you and your kids. I will introduce you to 3 classic books so you will discover what makes a children's book so good that it captivates even you. How a 4-sentence book can create a deep conversation even with a 3-year-old child. How to make reading time active, fun, playful, bonding, and enjoyable for both you and your child. And finally, how you can help and encourage your children to become lifelong readers. This live workshop is completely free. Click the link and register for the Parents Reading Workshop.